Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're going to be doing an unboxing video. So let's get into this unboxing video. The first thing I have is from JCPenney's. It's a winter coat. So I'm going to go grab that. I'm going to try that on for you. Ooh, and my bra straps are showing. I wasn't trying to show my bra straps, but they're showing. Oh. So here's the coat from JCPenney's. It's nice. It's really super soft. I like this coat. I'm going to try this on. Put it on. I wear this a lot, actually. I like this coat. Buttons up in the front. I'm not buttoning this crooked. Okay, good. I was hoping I wasn't buttoning this crooked. Last time I put this on, and it ended up all crooked. Okay, and then it's got like really deep pockets. I don't know if you can see that. It actually looks like real fur, like right here, if you can see this, but it's actually not. I don't know how well you can see that. It's actually some kind of a silk, and it's got a hood on it. That's the first thing I got. And then I'll put this away. Uh-oh. There we go. And there's the pockets. Right there. That's how deep the pockets are. They're deep. So it's like super soft on the inside, and it's shiny too. Well, I kind of like how that shows up on the camera. That's actually kind of nice. I never noticed that before about that coat. This coat. I just kind of move it around. Huh, I didn't know that. Okay. And then the next outfit, actually it's actually an outfit. It's a sweater dress with some leggings. And don't mind my basement. We are remodeling our basement until we just got done painting the floor here this past week. So we're eventually putting in a ceiling. I'm not sure exactly when. So eventually we'll have a new ceiling in. I'm getting this next outfit on. Actually some black leggings with a sweater dress. I'm going to go as fast as I can. And I actually have a scarf that goes with this dress somewhere here. I had it sitting out, actually. And I must have buried it somewhere. I don't know if I'm going to wear it for this video. I might wear it. 'Cause I don't want to be like digging something out while you're like waiting for me to put this on. This will not take long to put on. Actually, I got it on right now. So, and I not see that. That's okay. So here's the sweater dress and the leggings. Then actually I got a pair of boots to pair with this too. These are kind of like, they look like almost look like the go-go boots from the 60s. And then they got like a belt around the bottom, kind of towards by the ankles. And I got these at Murky's. That's where I got this at. So, did the outfit with the boots. And actually, this would look cute with a belt. I had grabbed a belt. I don't know where I put it, but it would look cute with a black belt. Or even a red belt. But here's the boots. When I get a closer look at them, I kind of like those. And then they got like a little buckle on them by the ankles. They go right here. This is cute. This is kind of like pleated towards the bottom. I kind of like that. So that's that dress. And then I got another dress from lightinthebox.com, which is a red dress. It's actually a long red dress with some buttons in the back. It doesn't actually button in the back, but the buttons seem to be they're more for like decoration than anything. So I'm going to show you that. It's actually quite a nice dress. I actually really like it. I am throwing this on quick. So it's actually kind of low cut in the front, though. And it zips up in the back. And it's got like a slit in it, like in the front of it. And I'll show you that too. So here we go. Here's the red dress. See, it's kind of cut pretty low in the front. My bra wants to stick out. I should have gotten. I need a different bra for this. This needs a different bra because my bra kind of shows. Or actually, no bra would work with this too, I guess. Oh, this looks really. I like how this turns out on the camera, and then it's got like the slit in the front. Roll it around, and then the buttons are like, I don't know how well you can see these buttons, but they're like right here. I actually kind of like the back of it too. Move my hair out of the way so you can see the back. It almost looks like a really old fashioned dress until my bra strap is sticking out again. With the exception of the slit right here. There's that dress. And then I got one more dress, which is a green dress with ruffles. It's got feathers or flowers. I'm sorry. Flowers all over it. I can't speak today. And ruffles on it. This one also zips up in the back. And it with the belt. And actually that red dress I just had on, that would go good with the belt too. Like, that might not look nice with a belt around the waist as well. But this one actually comes with a belt. Oh. It'll only take me a second to put it on. And here we go. I got it on. Whoops. Here we go. This is actually kind of a nice dress. And this has got tie right here. You can put it in a bow, I suppose. I guess. I don't. I think I wore this. Actually, I wore this once. But I like to tie it just like this. And then maybe tie it one more time. And let it just hang like that. That's how I like to do it. These would actually look nice with some. Actually, I wore this with some tan shoes, which I have upstairs. I should put them on Actually looks nice. Or some green shoes. And that red dress I just had on before that, that would look good with some black shoes or a pair of red shoes. Red shoes. Yep. That's that. It's got like these little ruffles in the front I was telling you about. Here's a little ruffles right in the front. So this is actually quite nice. I like this. I think I got this at Marquise too. Actually. Well, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. If you like more videos like this, please hit that like button. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.